Welcome back to Merlene's Kitchen. Well, today I'm just going to cook some curry goat. It's for a party, so it's around 50 to 75 people. So this is around, say, 30 pounds. Okay, so here I have garlic and onions, my thyme, and my lala curry powder, seasoned salt, red pepper flakes, and turmeric and paprika. Okay, so sit back and enjoy. Okay, here I'm going to put my seasoned salt in. I'm just going to average it. Okay, a lot of goat. Okay, and paprika, red pepper flakes, and paprika. Yeah, and a little bit of steak. All right, seasoning. I know it's not steak, but this tastes so good. Wonderful. I think that's all the seasoning for now. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub it up. All right. Okay, now curry powder. Let's see. That's 2 spoons, 3 spoons, 4 spoons, 5, 6. I think that this should do it. Okay. Say 7 spoons. Okay. Okay, I put some oil in there in the pot. So I'm just gonna fry my garlic first. Okay. Put my curry mix, onion. Okay, I'm going to add my turmeric. Okay. So 1 teaspoon. That should do it. Okay, so it's become paste. So I can put the goat in now. Okay. Okay. So the goat is on its way. All right. So I'm just gonna let it cook down to get the seasoning in it. Okay. Right before I put water in there. Yeah. I'll just let it cook in. Alright? Beautiful. Alright, alright. Alright. Coming along beautiful. Yeah. So nice. Let's bring it in water. So just gonna let it cook down. Then I'll put my water in. Some more water in. Alright. Now it's put down. See, the water gets thick. So I can go ahead and put in my hot water to cook the meat now. Okay? Pouring it in. Hot boiling water. I can put as much as I want to because I'm not gonna pressure cook. Okay, my pressure cook cannot hold all this meat, so I have to cook it down. So I could put a lot of water. It's gonna take at least 2 hours. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put here. Okay, just put one in. Put in my thyme. Alright. Coming up nicely. Okay guys, it's all done. Wow. Tastes so good. Wow. So that's wonderful. Wonderful. Alright. Well, there you have it. Rice. Yes. All done. Ready to go. Okay. So this is the goat. All done. Okay. Ready to go. Okay guys, so I'm going to jerk these Costco chickens. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so I put the red pepper and the jerk sauce. Okay, so I'll let it cook for a little bit, just for a little while, and then I'll put the chicken in. Okay. Okay, so the chicken is jerking. Yeah. Stir that thing. Okay. Very good. So I'll just leave it to soak in for a little while. Okay? Okay guys, there you have it. The jerk chicken is done. Looking beautiful. Tastes delicious. Yummy. Look at all this food. So much food. You'll see when it gets there. Okay?